Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be doing a makeup look for one of my photo shoot challenges, which is pearls. But I forgot, or well, I didn't forget, it didn't click that today is September 15, La Independencia de Mexico. So I want to include that into this look because I couldn't do it last year, and the year before that I think I also couldn't do it, and I for sure want to do it this year, but I don't know why I just forgot. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. I think I'm going to mainly be using these smaller pearls that I have, mainly these yellowish ones, or I don't know, because I also have this big bag, and this tone of pearls, it's more on the yellow side than on the white side. So we'll figure it out when we get there. But I was planning on just adding like some pearls here, maybe here on my inner corners and a little bit on the outer corners, and do like green eyeshadow, just a little bit, or just eyeliner. Green on top, white at the bottom, and red lips, I guess, you know, to be patriotic to the Bandera de Mexico. So yeah, I mean, I'm already brown, so we got that brown covered. Yeah, I don't know how this is gonna play out. I will walk you through the process with me. This is the smallest pearl from the big bag, so I don't think I'm gonna use these. These are a little too big. I think I'm just gonna stick with the smaller ones, and if I am gonna just stick with the smaller ones, then I'm gonna use the more wider ones. So like most of all the makeups that I've been doing recently, I'm just using my Superstay pressed powder foundation. I don't really want to put a lot of other stuff because it's too far. Right, so I do not know what happened to my audio. Well, I mean, I do know. I think the battery ran out, so then it stopped recording, and I noticed until halfway through the makeup. So eventually I stopped talking, and then I just start putting things in my face. But yeah, I guess the important things that I wanted to point out was that the little beads, maybe try getting a tool for it, because I struggled so much to get them with my tweezers, and the tool that I have, the tip of it broke off, so I can't pick anything with it, and all the beads had like fallen all over my desk. So it was hectic, to say the least. So to dot things, I used my eyebrow pencil and I slightly dotted where I wanted the pearls to be at, just a map out. I wasn't too precise with it. I just kind of wanted to know where I was going to be putting the glue. You didn't have to do it, but I feel like it helped me a lot to decide where exactly I want the sizes of each pearl to be at, because this pearl container that I have, I think it comes in like 4-5 different sizes. So I didn't want it all to be one size, and yeah, that's basically it.
Si vivir es solo soñar, hagamos el bien soñando. La la la, la la la, mexicano soñador. Si vivir es solo soñar, hagamos el bien soñando. La la la, la la la, mexicano soñador. Si vivir es solo soñar, hagamos el bien soñando.
For the eyeshadow part, I think in the beginning I had said that I wanted to do like green at top and red at bottom, but I ended up using this like very light, almost pearl-like eyeshadow as a base, and then I went in with the green. And I didn't end up putting red because later on, or in a bit, you'll see that for the red, I ended up putting it on my eyebrows. And I feel like that just made it look so much better because it just enhanced more this look. And I don't know, I feel like I like putting color on my eyebrows because it just opens a world of possibilities. And I think that's it for me. I will explain better at the end of this video. Bye!
Si vivir es solo soñar, hagamos el bien soñando. La la la, la la la, mexicano soñador. Si vivir es solo soñar, hagamos el bien soñando. La la la, la la la, mexicano soñador.
Okay, so this is the final look. I don't know what happened to my audio, so yeah. To explain in a sum, I originally wasn't gonna put these in the corner, but once I was done with like the eyes and everything, basically, like after I put on the lipstick, it just looked a little empty, and the challenge was pearls, so I decided to put it on, and it kind of looks like a winged eyeliner, just a little bit, but I did like how it came out, and yeah, I really like the eyebrows as well. You can't really tell the green, but I feel like it adds a little subtleness to it, to the eyebrows, just to enhance and add more color. Yeah, so this is gonna be the look for pearls, and as well as my 16 de Septiembre Mexican flag inspired look. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something. I think I'm just gonna add a highlighter from this palette, the white color. It's this one, this top corner one. Just a little bit of highlight. And you're not even gonna be able to tell, or maybe you can, I don't know. Okay, so unfortunately I do not have, like I do have the color, but I wanted to put on this one because it's super stay, it doesn't really transfer. Well, it doesn't, and it's not supposed to transfer, but you have to let it dry, and I probably shouldn't have touched my lips. But you have to let it dry, and that's as close as I'm gonna get. And I didn't want it to smudge because I still need to take pictures, and it's barely, what time is it? It's 3:24, and I'm not gonna take off this makeup, and I still want to take other pictures. So yeah, this better stay on all day. Yeah, that's the look that we're gonna be going for, and I hope you liked it because I really did. Probably next year I'll do maybe like a calavera because I've been wanting to do calaveras, so I look forward to that. I will make that a priority for next September. Ooh. Okay, well that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Ya me iba a aventar un grito, pero van a pensar que me están matando aquí.